morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me. Today I have a ton of errands to run. It is Monday, April 23rd. It's a beautiful day out here in Washington. I want to say it's like 65 degrees out with a little wind chill. Before we jump into this video and make sure you know our face is all put together to go slay this day, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on those post notifications because YouTube's kind of changing things up to where y'all don't get notified if I upload apparently if those notifications aren't turned on. So make sure that little bell is checked. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because you could possibly pick the next video, and make sure you're subscribed. Without further ado, let's take the glasses off and let's beat off face. Pardon the mess if you see like a big mess over here and back there. We're moving. We move in a couple, I think the movers come in like 10 days. So this look, honestly, I rarely wear makeup, but when I have a lot of errands to do and I want to look a little put together and not just like all like a fetus, this is what I do. It takes, if I'm not talking, maybe 15 minutes. Maybe. It's quick, easy, out the door. But I first start with my primer. This stuff, it's decent. It's the Unique Touch Glorious Primer. I'm looking for a new one, so if you guys have any suggestions for primers, let me know. I have really oily, but sensitive acne-prone skin. And as you guys can tell, my face is actually really starting to clear up. Oh, laundry's done. My face is really starting to clear up. Finally, I'm very excited to see how it's gonna look now that chemo will be done on the 27th. But now it's like, it's getting better. I mean, I still have, so there's a mirror right here, so I still have a couple, like this one just formed today. I try not to pick anymore. The only time I like pick is if there's like a whitehead, and I don't necessarily pick, I just kind of scrape if I can. I noticed that has helped, and not just touching my skin either has really helped, and drinking a ton of water. Oh, I forgot my foundation. Be right back. Be right back. Russell, I forgot the foundation. I forgot the foundation. Usually I don't really wear foundation. I'll usually just put some like concealer on. For foundation, again, this is dirty. I just use the Wet n Wild. I think it's the Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Ivory, aka Casper White. So if you guys have, again, another suggestion for a cruelty-free, like skin sensitive like foundation, or even an SPF, that would be perfect. I really need a moisturizer that has SPF. So if you have a really good moisturizer with sunscreen in it, please let me know, because your girl's moving to Tampa and needs help. Like I said, y'all, I'm pasty as can be, which I am kind of excited about. Sorry if the thing's in the way. That's one reason I'm excited about moving to Tampa is I don't tan at all. I never have been a person to tan. I hate it. I get bored really easy. I have like ADHD where I can't sit still whatsoever. And I've always got super, super red. I've never been one to really sit and tan. My biological dad is really, really pale, really, really fair skin. And then my mom, she has, I want to say, on that side there's like Dutch and some Indian and stuff. So my mom tans really, really easily and really fast. Me, on the other hand, no. Look like a dang lobster. And obviously, since I've had chemo and cancer and all that stuff, my skin is super important to protect it. So yeah, if you guys have like a good SPF foundation, not foundation, moisturizer, let me know, because your girl needs it. Does that look good? That look good on camera, guys. Looks good here. It looks good here. Since I'm not doing like a full-on physique update for this vlog, I will kind of update you guys on where I'm at right now with my diet. Right now, I do still work with my coach, Terry. He's a nutritionist. He's amazing. He sent me my plan for this week. That's what I actually have to go do. I have to go do grocery shopping. I couldn't get to the store yesterday. It was just a really long day, so I like to blend on my neck because, you know, you gotta match. But yeah, so my training nutrition diet is gonna be a lot more intense. I think Caleb's home, that's why Russell's running to the door. But I'm gonna be taking in a lot more calories, a lot more protein, I'm really excited to start putting the weight back on. I've been training really hard, so we had to really change up my plan to get me in more calories because my body type, I've always burned my calories. I've always had a high metabolism. So oh, there's wasp. I'm allergic to wasp and bees. Go away. There's oh, there's a nest. Good thing we're moving. I love all animals, but those, no. Where was I going with that? Oh yeah, so I was eating. My metabolism is crazy fast, like crazy fast. I burn calories ridiculously fast. So is we put on some not highlight, what is this? This is, what are you? Shape Tape Concealer, not highlight. My metabolism's really fast, so calories are going up, carbs are going, everything is going up. My training schedule is 3 to 5 days a week. 3 to 4 days a week, just because my body needs to recover. My body recovers a lot slower now, and I just need to listen to my body a ton more. That was my biggest struggle before I got diagnosed with cancer. I pushed myself too hard. I would be at the gym like 6-7 days a week, and I wouldn't give my body a rest whatsoever, so I would plateau like crazy. Very excited to see where my body is gonna be transformed to, especially since chemo is done on the 27th. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Pure 4-in-1 pressed mineral makeup. This is in light because I'm very pale. My skin is pretty dry lately because of chemo, so I don't put a ton of powder on just for the simple fact I don't want to look cakey, especially under my eyes. So I just do a tiny bit, but I really do like this powder because it just makes everything seem just really smooth. Once I'm off chemo, I know I'll be able to hit my goals a lot better. Before I was diagnosed with cancer, I was 125 to 130 pounds. My goal is to get back to 120, 125. That's where I feel, you know, the best and look the best. Training's been going really good. You guys know that I've been posting, at least on IG, if you follow me, I've been posting my workouts. So once I put my pressed powder on, just go in with this unique beachfront bronzer powder. It's just like this really nice bronzer. It's pretty, gives me a nice little color because your girl needs it. And go from my ears up here to my head, and then you go to the other side. Then just bring it on your neck, get some color. Now that I'm really listening to my body, I'm seeing my body like really balloon really quickly, like balloon up really quickly. I have to train legs 2 to 3 times a week though, just because my lower body takes forever to get big. My upper body, not so much. I could train that maybe 2 times a week and I'll be good. I'm done with like the basics of my face. Most of the time I won't even put on eyeshadow whatsoever, but today for y'all I'm gonna do it. I like to keep it simple. I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes, but when I like to go like get things done quickly, I just go in with my Wet n Wild contour palette that I usually use to set my under eyes, and I'll just take like the banana shade or the clear shade and just put it all over my lid just to kind of cover up the redness. Just going back in with that bronzer palette and just taking that little bronzer dip. Again, y'all, I suck at makeup, so, you know, don't judge me. But yeah, life has been really good. It's just insane to me, y'all, that chemo is done on the 27th. I have gone to chemo consistently for over a year and a half, and it's so bittersweet to say that it's over, because I'm excited that it's going to be done, obviously, but it's going to be really weird not going to chemo every 3 weeks, not getting chemo pumped into me, not getting my CA-125 checked every 3 weeks. It's gonna be different. It's gonna be weird, but a really good weird. I'm so excited. All right, y'all, so this is honestly pretty much it for the look. All we have to do is little eyelashes. I have super baby eyelashes, so I gotta curl them. All right, guys, this thing used to scare me when I was little, and I actually like, ow, right there, just pinched my eye like I said I was. Big Look mascara with argan oil. There's one down. There is one down. So April 27th is my last day of chemo, and to celebrate the fact that, oh, I gotta uncross my legs, my leg fell asleep. And to celebrate the fact that I'm gonna be done with chemo, we're launching Monarch on the 28th of April. I'm actually wearing One of the necklaces right now, this is the Be the Light necklace. We're launching Monarch Jewelry website, the Monarch Jewelry website, and we're launching the IG. So I'll have that all down in the descriptions below. Give us a follow. Y'all, these necklaces, I'm so excited about them. Now we're just gonna continue to torture our other eyelash. When I do get to Tampa though, I have had a lot of emails from you guys and messages, DMs, everything, asking if I was gonna start taking on clients and start training you guys, taking on clients in Tampa and doing like the online coaching. And right now I'm currently not taking on anybody, but in the fall I will start taking on some clients when I am in Florida. I will do some online training as well, but right now it's just with the move and launching Monarch, everything's really hectic. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is my everyday makeup look when I actually do wear makeup, which is not every day. So this is like a twice a week makeup look when I put makeup on and want to try. But to finish it off, you just gotta take that good old Urban Decay all-nighter spray and just mist yourself. Alright guys, so that is it. I know this video is definitely a lot longer, so it's not gonna be, it will not be a vlog. The next video will be my last day at chemo. It will be the last chemo vlog, but I do have something special coming for y'all on May 8th. It's actually World Ovarian Cancer Awareness Day, so I have a very special video that I've been working really hard on dropping that day. May 8th. Be prepared for that, but in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on IG and also follow Monarch. There's a lot to do in there, so it'll be in the descriptions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love y'all. Bye.